Chronicle allows relativity users to easily switch or flip the order in which first names and surnames appear in fields. This allows users to reformat names appropriately for many legal reports and quickly adapt to second requests or requirements changes on the fly. In this video, we'll start from a project where the names have already been normalized to first, last, but requirements have changed and they need to be normalized to last, first. You can see here in this project that I've already normalized all of our names and applied the normalizations of relativity. These are the names that we need to switch to last name, first name. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go over to the Chronicle Manage Normalizations tab, and we need to do two things. The first is we need to export all the normalized values to CSV, and then we need to export all of the data to CSV. So what we're going to do with the normalized names is we're going to plug those into a special CSV available in our blog that will help us flip these names. And then we'll use the full export to update those names and re-import that back into Chronicle. So on the left, I have the CSV of normalized names that we just downloaded. On the right, I have the template with the formulas that we can use to flip these names. So I'm going to just select the 5 names and then paste them here into the normalized value column called first last. And you can see this automatically creates a last, first name for us. And this also has some QC built in to indicate if you have someone with multiple names or additional honorifics, such as Brian Von Custer, where Von Custer is the last name with a space, which can trip these types of systems up. This particular template will account for those scenarios for you. So now we've confirmed that these formulas are going to work for us. We want to copy those formulas from our template over to our all data CSV, which I've opened up here on the left. So I'm just going to click over here, copy the first name formula, paste that in and drag it. Then we'll do the same with the last name formula, paste that in and drag it. And then finally the same with the concatenate formula, paste that in. Next, we'll select the corrected values here, copy those, and then we'll paste special values only. And now our normalized names here are flipped to last name, first name. Then we just clear out these values over here on the right and save the CSV. Now that we've saved all of that data, we want to import it back into Chronicle so we can write the new values to the normalized fields. To do that, we're going to go ahead and click Delete All here, which is going to clear the existing normalized values. Then go to Import, Browse. We're going to do our flipped names CSV, the one that we just saved a moment ago. Upload that. That's going to load this in. Then if we navigate back to our project, we'll see that the normalizations have changed. Our mappings down here now show the last name, first name. We click on Apply, click Write Values to Fields, and all of our fields are going to be updated to the last name first. And just like that, we very easily corrected this for our second request or for our requirements changed where we've already applied this work product to relativity, making it very versatile and very easy to correct data as we go. To learn more about Chronicle, discover additional use cases, or get started, visit milyli.com/Chronicle or check out the product listing in the Relativity App Hub.